welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you what to do if iPhone not showing up in iTunes. Theoretically, iTunes is a comprehensive tool to help us manage iOS devices such as backup your iPhone data, factory reset iPad, unlock iPhone without passcode, fix some software based iOS issues, etc. The fact is iTunes always makes us trapped while using it. Like iTunes not syncing with iPhone, the backup was corrupt, the firmware not compatible, various iTunes error, as well as iTunes not recognizes the device, etc. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first you should check USB connection. One simple reason might be because of my bad connection between iPhone and the computer. So you can replug your USB cable or use another USB cord. Make sure your USB cable is the original one made by Apple. And the next step is restart iPhone and computer. It may fix some minor glitches and it may have also be workable for the iPhone not showing up in iTunes issue. To restart your iPhone, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update iTunes to the latest. If your device isn't recognized by the iTunes, it might be because the older version of iTunes is not compatible with your iPhone. To fix it, you can simply update iTunes to the newest version. On your Windows PC, you can open iTunes app and then go to the help. Check for updates option. On Mac computer, launch iTunes program and navigate to the iTunes menu. Click on the check for updates under the iTunes menu and you are done. And the next step is reset location and privacy settings. If you are an iTunes lover, you might know that you will be asked to trust the computer when your iPhone is plugged into it. For the first time, most of us will ignore this pop-up message and thus it will lead to iPhone not showing up in iTunes problem. So you would better check your device and respond to the alert by tapping the trust option on your device. If you tap the don't trust option accidentally and the prompt will not appear again, to find it out you can go to the settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Next, scroll down and choose transfer or reset iPhone and then choose reset and choose reset location and privacy and then replug your device into the computer and the message will pop up again and then tap trust to continue and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone not showing up in iTunes, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.